e onema bi wo ha edurumre bi a awan na udi NDC for chia wan ha bagi kan sam ho ayenka.
Really?
That's the truth. So we wan you focused. Now this say NDC for to be translate ya mesem kan sam bi na why ye pe. You will be following the same pattern. And I can tell you on authority. Ebi and ha Brian. Because when you listen to some of them, when you Asia, one Sri Lanka, maybe can be the last time because she are nipa bako and I'm sorry, namumra. So I was like, when you listen to some of their comments, like the former president himself stood on the whole platform, Ghana, how address it, catching. So when it comes to violence, unleashing violence on our opponent, nobody can beat us to it. You see, you have a former president making such pronouncement that so one told now one yedinya as almost as almost a mema dodoa now so can be. My brother could have avoided that statement. I'm telling you on authority. You see, when you leave something in an ambiguity, ujai asamno makwenda hope, ombe feeling gap na ma. Ebi na to Brian. It's nothing. He was not coming out to me because well lose election I won't hand you over. And no credit been see you had. NPP had or they say less than 40,000 2008. Genuinely, yeah, hand you over power. Say party bina just omunya sa figure kitwe bia maybe in cartons would have been different. Into me, I did am person so cry say so be a lose election. Na o se on hand over no bema oyene. Into Gbagbo ne Watara there no. I was the first person to criticize or the say Gbagbo. It got to a point so all the videos na a whole president the singlet na nkwala asoma ye twene.
I saw a picture of Gbagbo and
Watara recently.
Yeah. And what came into my mind said, "Omo kun tokwa."
Kun krofoma.
Kum omo because of Watara. Any Gbagbo ho. Ye che Gbagbo ko the Hague.
Yeah.
Ye jana manaba. Watara accept Gbagbo.
Yeah.
Ewo Côte d'Ivoire. Amen. No, ne ton said the
he was that picture.
Look at people who died because of this
exactly. That is it.
Gbagbo and Watara today holds hands.
Hands, eat together, join hands.
Kenya Kenyatta. One Ralo Diga. And no ton said the
so why do we?
Yes.
Why do we kill ourselves for these people? To me, who's share party for? Now where euphoria no. Now where said it and near my year budget so now why really you
be
go
carried away.
I'm telling you, that was what happened to him. I personally will not sit here and then but our premises said now okay or they ban. Nanko bet me a qualify in the statement by saying that NDC for feel say be ombenya power omoboa because ye be near year a bedroom genuinely Ghana for you could have added simple words. Omobeto abano de amayen nti omo ye imagine say be hand over. So you build the premises what the wasem no about besiso. But when you make that statement say young hand the power they will fill that those gaps for you. E bi na esi no.
Tomo adi bi asise mama no.
Say you left it in a no you left it in an ambiguity. Until America say me am I sa statement ye nyina ye can be there bia. Say NDC there enya there ombeba power. Because time ni nru aye nto aba no Ghana for ebeto aba na man my the sisu ye genuinely Ghana for the bema ye BT NDC. But as I said, if you don't take time when you are carried away with the chairs, the fines and other things enka uto and enka assembly ni ho. And intermediate me feel say going forward no Ghana will not die. That one day it will not be possible. Obi obeye so de oye ne beba Ghana ha no. Enya de omanfo no kra be ma no kwan. Ye nkrofo a sebe ye ni made. Ye to aba ebi anwini ya to aba ebi alusu eba ye NDC for lusu recent one maame na ebuba aba na NDC for carry omo nkrofo kogu ho no ye bo NDC de ye bo NPP de eno na do so chen NDC de so we have that video no be hwa so my mo be hwa ama me maame na ebuba no bo NPP number no figures ayinya no na why the NDC for now obo de so no ma baje so so ma wini
they thought
if you remember
initially mostly na wow this can your body first
we crowd there we have video now
there be what I mean is I say mostly
yeah bobo free
to
but what
but we all bought NPP figure
no
because na NPP was wrong and sana what it was born this day no adrena ma they jubilated
so omo na wini meanwhile figures too now ma me boy no
say no be 6 million
but now people they know what to say so I ask myself say now omo tie ni ye de omo ba no na ebinum kofa ne say omo na wini ya amfa ama woman to the American and say oh my way may offer a hey I mean there is no way there will not be anything on the thread of a medinatum can't tampo matromensa you know for me when this for me fee it got to a time a bush happening and say my dad and manager no NDC
and you quite have a fast I didn't be zero. So,
be my new cry. Ain't you know, me fool said Brian as a more kind. Me, the very day that I listened to it.
But don't you think, say, MPP so more remember too much the sense, mobile issue statement said you fully support every word he has said coming from the General Secretary. Saying, say, you support every word, trying to explain yourselves.
Me tell you. Me na and also anything that will endanger this country. I will not. What I'm saying is that would the NDC for it sometimes I'm ready say me I come back oh baby in some okay can you know so na me di echira nke bi ansama me so be free menu about me I was brought up let me tell you politics na ye be win the election me I believe that we win the election but as I said you are making every statement and you leave it in an ambiguity.
People will feel
that gap for you. And see, he could have made his nice. He said, "So they now can."
There's on the hindsight, who said they're not all patch no, and you know na I'm a tabon.
Yajina no esi money, but or no, and I'm a yajina no esi money because of the MTA or MPP. Young handy over Emma NDC. So because first our tape no,
we will not hand over to NDC.
In what way? That means we ni kwa umfema omana ana omube lusu ana say DNT into who construct your statement as a politician you should let it end well because
I mean room for people
no room for them to talk about it me can't say be say yemfa abano emma NDC for a sanse yekoto abana Ghana for ebeto abana maye at that time no man no asan apeja eninti said the makanin menye ni say me of ekwe konbet na haka say may call for any anarchy or chaos. That is what I'm saying. That is the difference.
Also that
is say my dream na me kan you know on to me now room say me say because me say genuinely Ghanaians are going to vote for us e ye dey win the same thing na not all can say ye be IMF beba economy ne be okay
o say by June or July na economy na
and then see ukwan say umfat eno nka ho say Ghana for ebeto abana ma NDC for mo ye margin say Ghana for ntoma ye ombeto ama ye ye be wini boom yemfa omandwa no emamo ka asembie ni wa eba into media I criticize NDC when they say this kind of words. I won't sit here and endorse it. As I said, you should repackage it and come say na me person then it end the whole thing. But I saw Johnny say the way your politics eti will chrome hand there. I'm telling you one I say those who are not NDC people will come and also comment on the same thing. Going forward, comparing it to Swami Diana, it's a clear difference. and there or not there or say we see MPP near Fabano money team kuno.
Now you come nipa be me to me.
That is what he said. So that is a difference between so those who are calling for me who charge our police for no. Every to me they are or the same. Charge that they will press against him. But where the end there, it's a clear difference. And in the moment, you're situating in the contest now.